Hey everybody, welcome back to Wood Dweller's Domain. I am the only person that goes by Wood Dweller in life. No, I'm just kidding. We back. Today, I'm about to make myself partially blind due to the lighting in here. I have a quick but special video. I recently got my hands on another, forgot that I had that in, another porcelain doll. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but the gang is all here, okay? The gang is here, but I did get my hands on another porcelain doll and I wanted to introduce her to you. Let's see. Oh, whoops. Okay. I just want to make sure she's presentable before she comes on the show. So I've not had time to really fool around with her, but when I saw her, I knew that I had to jump on the opportunity to grab her because, again, it's very rare to find brown porcelain dolls. Here she is. She cute. She cute. So first of all, her outfit and her skin tone was like the first thing that I noticed, like besides the condition, that she was like in really good condition. Her hair is pretty long. She has like these pretty little wiry curls. I guess they would call these like the Shirley Temples or something like that. She doesn't have a large volume of hair, what I did notice, but it's pretty, it's curly, and it's black. The ribbon in the hair just adds to the cuteness to me. Her outfit is really like time period. I have to glue on, whoa! I have to glue on this little sole part, like it's the shoe, what do you call it? The bottom part of the shoe. But yeah, she was in pretty good condition. I'm gonna start getting into, I think she was like $4, but I'm gonna start getting into sewing again. I used to sew when I was a lot younger, like in middle school. No, that was high school. When I was in high school, actually making garments, and so I'm thinking about possibly trying to make different clothing for dolls of this size. So I'm thinking it's like the 18-inch, kind of like the similar sizing of the American Girl My Generation collection from, we get like these little magazines in the mail. The girls still do. So yeah, with the doll situation, I'll say I'm really shocked that that video has gotten a lot of attention, because I'm not really, that's not my like normal content, but I will say that my love of dolls it like really originated when I was a kid, of course. And so when I discovered that American Girl was coming out, well, that they had all these dolls and they had like different backstories, and just like a lot of things went with each doll. I ran on the opportunity years back when the girls were really young to get them both a doll. So yeah, I probably won't be doing the American Girl deal for myself, but the porcelain dolls to me kind of fit what I naturally gravitate towards when it does come to dolls. I'm into really time period things. I don't know what it is, like romance, time period novels, movies, stuff like that. I'm into like the clothing, costuming, all of that, fantasy. So I feel like these porcelain dolls that I find in gift shops, well, not really gift shops, sorry, thrift stores really fit that, I don't know, like interests that I have. So yeah, This was a quick video, I know, but she's really pretty. Wait, let me get out of the, there we go. She's really pretty. Another little doll to stare at me while I'm sleeping. Which I will show y'all video of all of them together. So approximately, I have 5 now. 5 full-size porcelain brown skin dolls. And I'm so freaking shocked because if you would have asked me like when I was younger, oh, you know, could you see yourself owning these awesome dolls that you've seen around, but you've never had a chance to just like hold one or have one, I would say no. But I'm having like somewhat of a small growing collection, which is really cool. I don't plan on purchasing anymore because I'm in the process of actually relocating this time. Instead of just talking about it, I do have a lot of lifestyle changes that I'm making, so I don't plan on purchasing. I don't care how cheap it is too. Like if it's pretty cheap, I just don't plan on buying anymore until I feel like I have this space. Here's her beautiful outfit. Again, the lace is to die for. I freaking love lace. Lace is so elegant and classy. Look at the detailing at her like hands, the little lace. Come on now. This is something I would make to put on my own body. Like, that's cute. That is so cute. Like the little, come on now. That's really cute. I love the ribbon. So there's another one that I have. I think she has a ribbon too. Hers is pink. Oh my god, there's a, oh, my collection is growing. Okay, let me show y'all the collection with them all together really quick. This is so exciting. Okay, so here's the original setup. I'm not really sure where she's gonna go. But this is like the full collection, y'all. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Seriously, I fucking love dolls. So for some reason this one's a little, let's see. She looking like she about to walk up out of here. I'm just kidding. But she is so pretty. They're the girls. They're the girls, guys. Okay, yeah. So thanks for watching my quick video. I'm hoping that maybe I can come up with like a better area for them to be. But yeah, that's the thing. That's the video. Thanks for watching, doll lovers.